Welcome to the future, where artificial intelligence is revolutionizing our world in unimaginable ways. In this video, we'll explore how AI is changing the way we live, from AI to BI, and even venturing into the universe beyond. First, let's dive into how artificial intelligence is transforming our daily lives. AI is everywhere, from our smartphones to self-driving cars, and it's becoming an integral part of our lives in ways we never thought possible. Whether it's voice assistants like Siri or Alexa, or algorithms that power social media feeds, AI is constantly learning and adapting to our needs. Imagine waking up and having your coffee brewed for you, courtesy of your AI-enabled smart home device. With just a few voice commands, your home environment can be perfectly tailored to your preferences. AI technology uses predictive algorithms to learn your behaviors and adjust accordingly, making your life more convenient and efficient. But the impact of AI doesn't stop there. We are starting to see the rise of BI, or biological intelligence. The convergence of technology and biology has paved the way for remarkable advancements in medical research and healthcare. Doctors can now use AI algorithms to analyze patient data, spot patterns, and make accurate diagnoses in a fraction of the time it used to take. This not only improves patient outcomes but also frees up valuable time for healthcare professionals to focus on providing personalized care. But the influence of AI doesn't end with our daily lives or in the field of medicine. AI is even fueling our thirst for knowledge and exploration of the universe. Robotic explorers, like the Mars rovers, are equipped with AI capabilities that allow them to analyze and interpret data in real time. With AI, we can push the boundaries of space exploration and uncover secrets of the universe, paving the way for future generations to venture beyond our planet. But while we may marvel at the incredible advancements of AI, we must also acknowledge its impact on our personal lives. Technology has become an integral part of our identity, shaping the way we navigate the world. Social media platforms, for instance, have transformed the way we communicate and connect with others. Whether it's sharing moments from our lives or staying up to date with current events, technology has bridged the gaps between us, bringing us closer together in ways we never thought possible. Beyond communication, wearable technology is changing the way we experience the world. From fitness trackers monitoring our health to augmented reality glasses enhancing our surroundings, technology has seamlessly integrated into our everyday lives, providing us with new perspectives and opportunities. In conclusion, the influence of artificial intelligence extends far beyond our screens and into the very fabric of our existence. AI has revolutionized our lives, allowing us to live more efficiently, transforming the way we approach healthcare and space exploration, and even shaping our personal identities. As we continue to embrace the power of technology, let us remember that it is not only changing the world but also changing us. So, let's embrace these advancements and explore the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Let me know in the comments below how you think AI will shape our future. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.